This is a slow English podcast. You can listen and learn English. Today's topic, expressing feelings. Part 1, saying how you feel. I feel great today. I slept well last night. I'm full of energy. How do you feel today? That's good to hear. Part 2, feeling happy. I'm really happy right now. Everything feels so nice. I can't stop smiling. Life is good today. Are you feeling happy too? Part 3, feeling sad. Sometimes I feel sad. It just happens. When I feel sad, I listen to music. It helps me feel better. What do you do when you feel sad? Part 4, feeling tired. I feel tired after work. My body just needs rest. Sometimes I drink tea and relax. Then I feel okay again. Do you get tired easily? Part 5, feeling angry. I don't get angry often, but sometimes I do. When I'm angry, I stay quiet. I take a deep breath. How do you calm down? Part 6, feeling excited. I'm so excited today. Something good is happening. I can feel it. I love that feeling. What makes you excited? Now I read again, and it's your turn to repeat. You ready? Let's go. I feel great today. I'm full of energy. How do you feel today? I'm really happy right now. Everything feels so nice. Life is good today. It just happens. It helps me feel better. I feel tired after work. Do you get tired easily? I don't get angry often. I take a deep breath. I'm so excited today. I can feel it. I love that feeling. Perfect. Part 7. Feeling nervous. Sometimes I feel nervous, like before a class or a meeting. My hands get a little cold, but I breathe slowly and relax. Do you get nervous too? Part 8. Feeling bored. I feel bored when I do nothing. It's the worst feeling. I usually watch something funny or call a friend to talk. What do you do when you're bored? Part 9. Feeling surprised. Wow, I didn't expect that. That was a big surprise. Sometimes life surprises me. It makes me smile. Do you like surprises? Part 10. Feeling scared. I feel scared in the dark. I also hate horror movies. Sometimes fear is funny though. After it's over, I laugh. What scares you the most? Part 11. Feeling calm. I love calm mornings. I sit with my coffee. I listen to the birds. Everything feels peaceful. Do you like quiet moments? Part 12. Ending the talk. So, these are some feelings. We all have them every day. It's okay to feel different things. That's what makes us human. How do you feel right now? Now it's your turn again. Just listen and repeat. My hands get a little cold. Do you get nervous too? I usually watch something funny. What do you do when you're bored? That was a big surprise. It makes me smile. I feel scared in the dark. I also hate horror movies. I love calm mornings. I listen to the birds. So these are some feelings. It's okay to feel different things. How do you feel right now? Perfect. So that was all for today. Make sure to watch other videos as well. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.